Is it actually possible to bypass an iCloud lock for free, or is every video you see a lie? The truth is somewhere in the middle. While magic software doesn't exist, official administrative overrides do. We are going to debunk the myth that you need to pay for a bypass service. Instead, we will focus on the fact-based methods using the original purchase receipt and the Apple Support app. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to identify a scam site and how to trigger a legitimate unlock. You will learn why most downloadable tools are actually hidden threats to your personal data and how to spot phishing sites that mimic official login pages. This guide shows you the exact steps to submit a formal request through the official portal using your proof of purchase. You must understand that these steps are for your own devices only. Accessing a locked phone without the owner's permission violates privacy laws. This information is for educational use. You assume all responsibility for any actions you take today. With that out of the way, you can look into a reliable tool called Unlocksy if you need a direct way to handle an activation lock. You can use this platform to remove iCloud locks from your iPhone, iPad, or even your Mac from any country. Start by turning your device screen off and back on, then tap the small I icon in the corner. Write down the IMEI or serial number you see there. You will need to create an account on the Unlocksy site and open their specific Unlock app. Choose your device type and enter your serial number to begin. Each request requires 50 coins, but you can get a better deal by hitting the join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes access to receive a voucher for 100 coins immediately. This saves you from buying expensive individual credits. Once you submit the request, check the dashboard to track the progress. Your phone will reconnect to the servers and let you finish the setup process. If you'd rather not go through the process yourself, you can optionally send a super thanks of $5 or more. We'll handle the submission on your behalf. Just leave your IMEI in the comments so we can proceed. This is completely optional and only for those who want a bit of extra help. You should stay away from any website promising a one-click download to unlock your phone. These files almost always contain Trojans designed to infect your computer the moment you run them. Scammers create these tools to gain access to your webcam, saved passwords, and banking details while your phone remains locked. You will often find professional-looking videos with fake comments claiming the software worked instantly. These are scripted to lower your guard so you bypass your antivirus software. Another common trap involves phishing pages that look exactly like a real login screen. These sites ask you to enter your Apple ID and password to verify ownership. Instead of unlocking your device, you are handing your credentials directly to a thief. They then use your account to lock your other devices or steal your private photos. You can spot these scams by checking the browser address bar for misspelled words or strange domain extensions. Real security requires patience and official channels rather than a risky shortcut. Protect your identity by ignoring any tool that asks you to disable your firewall or pay in untraceable digital currency. You can find a much safer path by using the formal tools provided by the manufacturer. Prepare your original proof of purchase to begin the official unlock process through the Apple Support portal. You must have a clear digital copy of the receipt showing the device serial number, the date of sale, and the store name. Navigate to the official support website and locate the section for activation lock requests. Select the option to start an activation lock support request. You will enter your email address and the device serial number into the secure form. Apple sends a confirmation link to your inbox to verify your identity before you can upload your documents. Follow the link and attach your receipt as a PDF or high-quality image. Avoid using blurry photos or edited documents since these will lead to an immediate rejection. Your request goes to a specialized team that verifies the chain of ownership. This process typically takes several business days to complete. You receive an email notification once the lock is removed from the server. Restart your device and follow the on-screen prompts to set it up as a new phone. You can now safeguard your account by setting up recovery keys and legacy contacts to prevent future lockouts. Open your device settings and tap on your name to access the password and security menu. You need to generate a 28-character recovery key to keep as a physical backup for your account. This code serves as your final lifeline if you lose access to your trusted devices or forget your password. Write this sequence down on paper and store it in a fireproof safe or a bank deposit box. Avoid saving a digital copy on your computer or in your email where a hacker could find it. You should also designate a legacy contact within your account settings. This person receives a special access key that allows them to request your data if something happens to you. They cannot see your messages or passwords while you are active, but they can help recover the account in an emergency. Choose someone you trust implicitly and send them the digital key through the built-in sharing tool. Verify that your two-factor authentication phone numbers are always current. Update these immediately if you change your service provider or get a new SIM card. You now have the tools to avoid dangerous malware and unlock your device using official methods. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more tips on solving common tech issues the right way.